Okay, release na muna.
Okay, ang gagawin natin,
May video mo pa.
Walang ano yan.
Ayan, one ka na. Naka-one ka na.
One sila.
Shit. Shit, Chris, no wait. Chris, no wait.
Sige pa,
Chris, no wait.
Hindi pa lang eh.
Kaya ang isa na lang parang finish na siya. Siya, one pa lang eh.
Yes. Trisha! Oh my God!
One!
Two, para school. Three ka pa lang. Three ka pa lang, saka lang pa.
Uy, pangatlo na yun!
Okay, dito.
Finish ka pa eh. Finish pa lang. Dapat. Para mag-finish yun.
Sayang.
I told you, dapat tayo. Hindi ba dapat panalo tayo?
Bibigay yung ano. Ibibigay, one.
Kinalaban mo ko. Oh, picture mo kami.
A picture.
Ikaw!
Okay.
Okay, dalawa ni kanina.
Ayan. Kayo na. Yan na. Si tita na.
Ikabay ko na masakit.
Ito na ang mga seniors.
Seniors ka.
Hindi nga ako matulong ni Re.
Ako nga, hindi marunong. Oh no! Ay, God!
Okay, start. 1, 2, 3. Start now.
Oh no! Hindi ako matulong.
One na si tita.
Bukas si Karina, hindi ako matulong sa'yo.
Sige lang.
Oy, one.
Ano,
Two na si tita. Ay, three.
Okay, last one.
Two si mama.
Last one, vote.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Last two.
Three.
Teka lang.
Hindi na ako eh.
Dalawa na.
Oh,
Sayang. Lapit na.
Magkasama tayo na.
mag-asawa naman tayo.
Picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Very good.
Okay. Oh, isa pa.
Pause muna, pause.
Pose.
I think Kuya Bert,
How much? How
Oh
much?
my goodness.
So many na pala eh.
Kasi kaya siya ganyan naman, nabuang na.
Ready?
She's so drunk na. It's
Ay, sorry na.
Pati nga sa akin, ininom na nga
Okay
eh.
na.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, okay, start now.
Ready?
Lasing na to.
Yawan na, naunsa naman yun.
Oh my God. Kasama yan sa ano, guidelines.
How many times?
Okay, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Okay, start na ha. Okay, now.
One.
Oh, tama na.
Two. Okay.
Okay, go.
O, sige, go.
Oh, isang pitik lang ha.
Tinig.
Three.
Parang galing nun.
Parang ang daya.
Di ba?
Kuya, I think we just hold it in the video.
Okay.
Trial lang yun,
I-eliminate mo na yan.
Trial!
Bigyan mo ng 50, eliminate mo na.
Kuya, you see, I have 200.
Oh, what will you say?
Thank you so much for the sponsor.
100 words.
Yes. What?
100 words.
I think maybe
You have to
later.
express yourself in 100 words.
Oh my God! Thank you
Okay.
so much for the 50 pesos and then the 200 pesos. Oh no, I said.
Tama. Si Belina.
Okay, 1, 2, go. Isang pitik lang ha.
Ay, Basyang! No.
Utang na layo. Layo ate!
Dapat eh. Kasi dalawang mata siya eh.
Oh my God!
Oh.
Kaya mo na.
Ano ba tong manok
Ay,
mo?
Lasing naman.
Tapos ikaw naman.
Kuya!
Ano ba tong manok mo? Oh, Belina.
What?
O, kukunin mo si Yelo.
Ano manok mo?
Okay.
Wala yung import mo na jersey.
Oh, okay.
Ang layo.
Free.
Ang layo eh.
Two.
Tapos,
Nakakahilo kasi. Okay, go! Where are you going? Oh my God! it's too far. Oh, sige. Move. Oh my goodness. What happened to you?
malapit na eh.
Ay, daw, Chris na.
I think you're
Kasi
drunk.
dapat ulitin eh.
Oh my God. Oh, it's Krishna's time. Krishna, you do it properly, okay? I send it to Kaya. Ready? 3, 1. Forward more. Forward. I said forward. Forward.
3.
No, I didn't say it properly.
Ay, bawal yung lasing dito, palabasin mo nga ito.
Hindi ko na kaya. Ate, sino yan? Ate Esme, you're discriminating me.
Sino yan?
I think Ate Esme discriminating me, ah.
Saan hanapin mo yan?
Oh, what happened? Go, Tes. More.
Magaling!
It's-
Magaling!
Kuya, it's a basic.
Si Inay, oh.
It's a basic.
Basic.
Yate, kapilan to yung samo, tapos di mo.
Siya nagpapalaro eh.
Okay, go.
Go. Move, Ate Kare.
Alright, sige.
More.
Pitik.
More.
Oh.
More.
Oh.
More.
Dita mo!
More. What happened?
Bahala na kung
Ay, ay lang.
ayoko na nga tumali. Yatay na, wak na.
Ako ulit ang kamay
na,
niyo.
kamay.
Pwede dalawang kamay. Pwede dalawang kamay.
Balik mo ulit.
Okay, balik
Kamay
na
na, kamay, kamay na, kamay, kamay na.
Kamay ito.
Oh, bigyan mo sa nanay mo.
Krishna, kulang pa. May dalawa pa. Okay,
Banatan
go.
mo, darling.
Kuya, kami, mahal ko na.
Pwede dalawang kamay.
Ha?
Pwede dalawang kamay gamitin.
Hindi chopsticks yan.
Hindi,
Wala namang
chopsticks
dalawa
na
kami
lang.
ng chopsticks eh.
Pwede nga dalawa.
Pagka ilalatag na.
No, kahit hindi. Kahit mag-chopsticks, pwede dalawang kamay gamitin.
Oh, dalawang kamay ka nga gamitin.
Okay.
Hoy!
Hoy, kuya!
Hoy!
It's not right! Oh my
Hindi,
God!
pwede pa tayo ulit. Ano sa tatay? Panalo na tayo eh.
Paano mo gagawin?
Panalo na eh. Ginagawa na natin. Salbahe.
Kuya, isabi ka dalawang kamay eh.
Oh my God, kuya!
Magulang.
Magulang si kuya.
Happy New Year! Happy ayaw lang.
Tayo na tatalo pa. Ang ganda-ganda ng una ko eh.
Hindi, practice lang daw yun.
Hindi na!
Alam kung dalawang kamay, ano
Okay,
gagawin?
winners! Where's the winners?
Ah,
Okay,
ganon.
come here. You stand up right there,
Eh,
winners.
hindi pa rin
Sabi mo kasi
Okay,
chopstick eh.
I'll give you rewards. Okay, can you get this? Yvonne?
Ha?
Kaya na isa pa
Okay, where's the first winner? Basha.
O yun nga, pwede
Okay,
na
I'll give you the reward.
1K.
No, it's a trip to Korea. Basha, get it. Okay, second one.
Puta, nori lang yata yan eh.
Okay, Ate Kara, it's a perfume package. Oh my God, Krishna.
Bonus.
No. Krishna.
No.
I think it's Starbucks package. Okay, let's see it. Can you open it, guys? Okay, Bashang first. Open it. What's that? It's a...
Trip to Korea.
Oh, what's this? Okay, Ate Kare, what's that? What's that, Ate Kare? Say it first.
Popcorn.
Perfume package. Krishna, what's that? Ay, sorry. What's that? It's a Starbucks package. What else?
Starbucks ka naman, ano?
Coffee. Oh my God. Okay.